The 2025 Volkswagen Vintage Pickup Truck brings a nostalgic design together with modern performance and utility, creating a unique experience for drivers who appreciate the charm of the past and the innovation of today. At first glance, it's hard not to admire the retro-inspired exterior, with its boxy silhouette, rounded headlights, chrome detailing, and signature VW emblem. Pickup pays tribute to Volkswagen's classic Type 2 trucks of the mid-20th century. The paint choices also reflect the past, with two-tone color schemes and earthy vintage hues. Underneath the old-school exterior lies a thoroughly modern platform. The 2025 Vintage Pickup is powered by a fully electric drivetrain. It's producing around 300 horsepower, with instant torque that delivers quick acceleration and confident towing capabilities. The range is impressive too, offering up to 280 miles on a single charge, making it suitable for both urban and long-distance driving. It supports fast charging, allowing an 80% charge in just 35 minutes. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted with a blend of retro design elements and cutting-edge technology. The dashboard features analog-style dials with digital functionality, giving it a nostalgic look without compromising usability. A large central touchscreen handles infotainment, navigation, and connectivity. With support for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice command, the seats are upholstered in eco-leather, patterns inspired by vintage VW models, providing both comfort and a touch of class. Despite being a compact pickup, the vintage truck surprises with its practicality. The bed is durable and spacious, enough for light hauling, gardening tools, surfboards, or weekend camping gear. Foldable tie-down points and a built-in 110V outlet add convenience for small business owners or outdoor enthusiasts. There's also a hidden storage compartment under the bed floor. It's perfect for securing tools or valuables. Driving the vintage pickup feels smooth and well-balanced. The electric steering is responsive, and the suspension is tuned for comfort without sacrificing stability on city roads. It handles like a small SUV, while on open highways, it remains quiet and composed. Volkswagen has also included multiple drive modes to adapt to different terrains, including a mild off-road setting for gravel and dirt paths. Safety is a key highlight of the 2025 model. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These features ensure peace of mind for families and